Today is JT's birthday. I know it's so hard not to look at yourself, right?
Oh.
I know, I was like, look up there. No, I do the same thing. Today's JT's birthday.
I was just wondering who that handsome fella in the mirror was. I didn't realize he was looking at me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I'm just kidding. JT is so cute. He like worked literally all day and just finished just now. He's so cute. He just does everything for the family. We're like, well, what do you want to do? He's like, oh, whatever you guys want to do. Little Pisces.
I mean, what do you give the man that has everything? You know, there's nothing I want. There's nothing I can't have.
So we just decided that we're gonna get a few appetizers here at Del Frisco. We wanted to go on the roof, but they're still closed for the winter.
Yeah, we were hoping for a sunset, just some ambiance.
Yeah, so we might get a few appetizers now. Oh, thank you. Oh, so much better.
Oh, nice.
Get this way.
Oh, look at that roof. That is sexy.
Yeah, so we might get a few appetizers now and then walk around and then maybe do a vlog for his work or maybe
who knows, maybe something spontaneous.
Spontaneity. Do you have anything to say?
No, thank you guys for tuning in. You know?
Yeah. Okay.
Love you.
Wow.
Let's try the cupcake first.
Okay. Oh, I didn't show the food. What is this? I don't know. Beignet?
Artichoke beignet.
Oh yeah, and then
let's get that.
crab cake. Forget about plates. No, I'm just kidding.
We don't need plates, do we?
Whoa. That's good. That sauce is good.
It's so good.
You can taste the artichoke, which I really like.
Let's try this.
I didn't really like that cheese in it. It is heavy though. Yeah, so artichoke beignet with like some kind of cheese.
So good.
Yeah.
This place is nice. It's kind of fancy, surprisingly.
Yeah, tell them about the rooftop.
Well, we came to sit on the rooftop because I got the lights and the fire and you can see the sunset and all the buildings. So that was, but since it was closed for the winter, we decided we'd still go. I've only been here for happy hour too.
Oh, I like broke into it without you.
Which one? This one? Oh, you're fine. So now we're gonna try the crab cake. I don't know about you. I've always had a hard time ordering crab cakes because we met in Virginia, and everybody knows Virginia and Maryland has the best crab cake.
Oh, this is good.
So it's hard to order crab cake when you're not back home.
It's actually good.
Blue Maryland crab cake though.
Oh, there you go. And I like that there's no breadcrumbs in it. You know,
I do. When people are like, oh, it's only one, I'm like, yeah, but there's no bread to
Let me
it.
tell you.
no, yeah, they
One of her
overdo
favorite,
it.
I was gonna tell her, sorry.
Oh, go ahead.
One of her favorite dishes, a colleague of ours has a restaurant in Newport News, Virginia. How much was this crab cake?
I have no idea.
Maybe $35 to $50 for one. It would bring tears to your eyes.
Oh, I bet it was amazing.
And they would sell out every night. Would you pay $50 for one crab cake?
If I was like having a night out, I would.
And I mean,
crab cake's one of my favorites.
it was
Well, it
insane.
made me like.
It was like, it looked like a soda can. It was like it was probably that tall. I mean, it was the most insane.
It was delicious. One time we flew out there and they ran out the one night that we were there, and I cried because they ran out.
Literally had
It was
a
that
tear in her
good.
eye. It was that good.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
for like $15, I'm like, or whatever.
good.
That doesn't sound, or like,
Definitely.
No, it doesn't
I'm
sound
glad
bad.
it's pretty good though.
It is
It's-
good.
oh, yeah.
Awesome.
This is actually really good. It's probably one of the better cupcakes that I've ever had. You're so
This is
cute.
really good.
I'm about to die.
I'm happy.
Bye.
knife?
Yeah.
All right. Bye.
Alright guys, I'm gonna include this in a vlog. I was gonna make this a separate video, however, I'll probably just include it in a vlog. And so, I wanted to tell you guys my first Fashionphile selling experience. Now, it's still currently in the process. I am going to be selling my Christian Dior saddlebag in the navy turtle print. Oh my gosh, and gold hardware. I'm actually, now that I'm looking at it, I'm actually kind of sad. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it now. Excuse me, Atlee. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna sell it now. Oh my gosh. Okay, and tomorrow will be my last day to fulfill the 30-day process that they have, the agreement with them. So I wanted to tell you really quick what I did. So the first thing that I did, This is not the first time I'm like selling with them. The first time I tried to sell with them, but I was not happy with their quote. I tried to sell my Super Mini with them, and of course they have to give you a lower price because they have to get a little bit of profit. So they sold, I pretty much sent pictures of my Super Mini to them, and they quoted me like really low ball, and it was like in excellent condition. They like quoted me like $500 something. I was like, oh heck no, because they were selling them for like $700 to $800 on their website. You know, they got to make a profit. So I said, So I did take pictures of my Dior saddlebag. I wanted to get a quote. I will show you the pictures that I took. I took really good ones. And on their website, they ask, you know, essentially for front, back, side, no, front, back, inside, details, and additional pictures. So, here are some pictures that I took. I used my DSLR camera, and every single detail, the inside of the hardware, the back, the big Dior, the D, inside, as much as I could. And in that process, I'm going to show you on their website what it actually looks like to do a quote. So let me flip the screen around. Good girl. So currently it says ship my items, and it says Dior saddlebag, and this is how much they're offering me, $600. And they're selling them for like $800 to $900, it looks like, 900-ish. Anyways, where you go is to the top of the website, sell your handbags. Click on that. And then you go to designer. You write, you know, Dior, whatever. So I'm gonna just go do it quickly with you guys. Dior, category, handbags, item name. I'll put Dior saddlebag, and then item details. And then you do the front, inside, base, condition, details, and detailed images, and then submit item for quote. They're really, really fast with their whole process. It says how it works. You submit your items, they will email you a price quote, and they usually, and then it says print your complimentary shipping label and send us your items. Get paid by direct deposit, store credit. I chose store credit because you get 10% additionally if you do store credit. And the terms and conditions, you have 30 days to accept their offer. And so tomorrow is my last day. And then so there's the terms and conditions, a lot more details into it. But yeah, it's very straightforward. I'm gonna open up mine, my submission. So I'm gonna go to my account and then my sales, and then view my quote. Sorry. Why is that? Okay. And then they're really fast. You can either like check on the website. Can you even look at my ship my items? Okay, anyways. So when you go to ship my items, it'll give you the option to, you have the option of buying it out or saying no thanks. I said no thanks to my Super Mini. Sorry, I'm trying to cover my address. You can agree to the terms, select the shipping carrier, and then save and print. And then pretty much you just bring it to the store. So I'm going to bring it to UPS. I believe it's 72 hours that they give you a quote of your pictures. I called them and they were super friendly, but you can also check on your, yeah, so you can either check on your account. So I'm currently in the process of shipping this guy out. Oh my gosh, now that I'm like thinking about it, I'm not sure if I want to sell it. I'm gonna think about it. Okay, we're gonna head to the post office. Atlee, please, do you want to come say hi? Mm-hmm. Okay, come here. You don't have to run across like that. Say hi, Atlee. I think we're overexposed.
Hi.
Hi. Let me see if I can fix ISO. Okay, I think I fixed my camera settings. There you go. Okay, yeah, so now that I'm thinking about it, I am contemplating. But now, the reason why I am selling this Dior saddlebag, I purchased it last year before the hype, before it relaunched, and I got it for a really good price from a vintage seller that I've been telling you guys several times about. However, in this past year, I probably wore it like a good handful of times, and I learned that the Dior saddlebag, yes, trendy, and I fell into the trend, which I don't regret because I really did like this bag. However, Allie, no more please. However, I know that this bag does not work for me at all. The what's it called? The shape of this bag is super awkward, and I don't like how you have to kind of like play Tetris to fit things in here. And also, like, I know I would like it better if I had like a long strap that was actually like Dior, but I'm not gonna pay like over $1,000 for that. And I put my other straps on it and I just wasn't feeling it all that much. I love the colorful strap, but I don't know. And the other reason I don't like it is I don't like cloth bags. No, not at all. I don't like cloth bags at all. So this bag was from the early 2000s, so it's almost like 20 years old. Yeah, and it doesn't have an odor or anything, but it just kind of like, cloth tends to like carry scents. So it has like a like closet scent. Honestly, if I'm gonna try to keep this bag for any more years, it's just gonna carry more scent and be even more annoying. Okay, there you go. So now I have convinced myself. Yeah, so I definitely love the look, but I just don't like the shape, and I don't like cloth bags. I just don't like them. I like leather for sure. So anyways, guys, yeah, say goodbye to this beautiful. And also the other reason I'm selling it is because I'm making a profit off of it. I purchased it for like $300 something, and Fashionphile is offering me $600. So yeah, I was like, okay, $300, I'll take it, I'll take it. But anyways, guys, I'm going to get this packed up, and we are gonna head to the post office, because now that I'm like talking with you guys, I definitely, yeah, am gonna sell it. So maybe in the future, who knows, maybe I'll get the leather version, but to be honest, for a $2,000 something price, no thank you. So I wanted to keep you updated on my Fashionphile experience. When you last watched my video of when I said I was gonna sell my saddlebag and send it to Fashionphile, I did, and that was on a Thursday. And I sent it out on Thursday. I went to the, what's it called? Not UPS. Wait, did I? USPS? No, not the Postal Service. What is that called? I'll link it right here. I don't know why my mind is like mush right now. So I went there on Thursday, got the slip printed out, sent it out. Then I got an email on Tuesday, and I'll show you what it looks like. I got an email on Tuesday. They're going to inspect it and authenticate it, and as soon as possible they will send me a quote. And then the next day on Wednesday, I got an email that said, let me show you what it says. It says it's payday, and then thank you for selling with Fashionphile. Your item has been authenticated and your payment of $660 has been initiated. And the reason it was $660 is because I decided to do store credit and get 10%. I do still, like 2 years later, still want to buy a Saint Laurent college bag large ever since I had it 2 years ago. And so I'm going to apply that once it is online. I want black with distressed silver hardware. Yeah, so guys, like in retrospect, it was such an amazing experience. I literally sent in my saddlebag on Thursday. Then it got in Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, so like 5 days. And then the next day, pretty much that same day they authenticated, the next day they gave me my payment. And so yeah, it was a really smooth process. Like I said, I sent the pictures, they sent me a quote, I was happy with the quote. And I purchased the bag, what, last year for like $350, and I got $660 for it. So I made double, and to be honest, I believe they'll probably sell it for like $900 to $1,000, and I could do that and like sell it to like, you know, I could have done that and sold it somewhere, but honestly, like, I just didn't feel like honest about it, because I knew that, you know, if I sold it to one of you guys and I was selling it for more, that wouldn't be very nice. So I just decided to go to Fashionphile and go that route, and whatever they quote me, because they're a business, I would sell it to them, and in the end they're gonna make money off of me because they're gonna sell it for a couple hundred more on their site. But I will say that it was a really good experience selling with Fashionphile. I didn't have to stress. I have sold through like people or through you know, like just real people, not companies, and it's kind of scary that way, because you know, you don't know if they're like honest unless you know them. So Fashionphile, if you ever want to sell through Fashionphile, you'll probably get less money. However, you have the safety and security of feeling like, you know, I'll be right there, I'm downstairs, upstairs, I'll be right there. You have the security and the, like, yeah, pretty much the security of knowing that you're working with a reputable company and that you won't have any issues with like your money and your purse. And so yeah, that's my experience, guys. I'm sorry that it wasn't really maybe the most organized, but I kind of just wanted to take you through my process with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and also my Fashionphile experience. Yeah, like now that I sold it, I kind of like miss it, but honestly I don't miss the cloth. So if I ever were to get a Dior saddlebag, I definitely would probably get it in all leather. So yeah guys, alrighty, I will talk to you later. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget the thumbs up and subscribe. Oh, and do you want to see my cute little like dress? I don't know, is it a little much? What do you guys think? This kind of has like a Versace-esque look. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm gonna put boots or heels or something, but we shall see. Very cute. Oh, hello, Miss Atlee. What are you watching?
Belle.
Rapunzel? Hey, Atlee, say don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
Bye. Little kisses.